all worked and all the components that made up the mission. Thank you.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, my respected teachers, and good afternoon, sir. As Priyanka has already discussed the basic introduction of Chandrayaan 3, now I am going to discuss in detail the parts of the spacecraft. Okay, so the three parts are the propulsion module, the lander module, and the rover, right? So the weight of the propulsion module is 2148 kg, which is carrying the lander and rover configuration 100 km lunar orbit. The weight of the lander module is 1742 and the weight of the rover is 26 kg only. On 17th August, the lander separated from the lunar and landed on the moon on 23rd August. Now we will discuss about the payloads. Can you tell me what to mean by payloads? Anyone? Okay. So payload is a load of vehicle that is collect the information from the moon and it will send to the earth. Okay. So there are 7 payloads which is carried by the Chandrayaan 3. The propulsion module will carry 1 payload, the lander module will carry 4 and the rover will carry 2 payloads. Now I will discuss about this payload in details. The first payload that is carried with propulsion module, the name is SHAPE, S-H-A-P-E, SHAPE. The full form of SHAPE is Spectropolarimetry of Habitable Planet Earth. So what it will do? The payload will observe the Earth, which component or which quality makes the Earth habitable. It is observed by the SHAPE. There are 5,000 plus exoplanets in the space. So, which exoplanets will habitable, it will be observed by the SHAPE. Now we will discuss about the Vikram module. The Vikram is named after Dr. Sarabhai Vikram, who is the founder of India's space program. Okay. The first payload which is carried by Vikram is ILSA. The full form is Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity. As we feel earthquake here, moon also feels moonquake. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, to optimize this one, the ILSA will go to the core of the moon to objectify the moonquake. Okay. The second payload is Rambha. The full form of Rambha is Radio Anatomy of Moon-bound Hypersensitive Ionosphere and Atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by magnetosphere, right? But there is no magnetosphere in the Earth. So the moon, right? So the positive charges directly comes from sun and reaches to moon, which creates a ionosphere. So this ILSA will measure these ions and electrons in the moon. The third payload is CHASTE. The full form is Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment. So thermo means that is temperature, right? Related to temperature. So this CHASTE will experiment on temperature. The temperature in moon fluctuates very much. On daytime, the temperature becomes 120 degree, but at the night it becomes minus 130 degree. There is a huge difference. So if in future, if any colonies or any infrastructure have to be made there, so we have to control the temperature first. So CHASTE will work on it. Now we will discuss about fourth payload, that is LRA. The full form is Laser Reflectometer Array. So LRA is a mirror that calculates the distance between from Earth to Moon. It will help in future missions to calculate better. Now we will discuss about the third parts, that is Pragyan rubber. Pragyan rubber will explode the only the half kilometer of the rubber. Lander. It will pass the information from the moon and then pass it to the Vikram, and Vikram will then pass it to the earth. So hence we will collect the information from the earth. Now the first payload of the Pragyan is APXS. The full form is Alpha Particles X-ray Spectrometer. It will study the presence of elements such as aluminium, magnesium, calcium, silicon, titanium, potassium. And the second payload is LIBS, that is Laser Induced Breakdown Spectrometer. It will also study the soil of the moon by using the light. So this is all the things that we need to collect from the moon. Suppose we have to make some infrastructure or habitat in the moon, are we going to carry these materials from the earth? Are we going to carry? No. So we have to find it in the moon. So ISRO has done a very good job. We are so proud, we are so happy that it launched it successfully, and Chandrayaan 3 landed on moon successfully. This is a proud moment of us. It is our glory. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.